Hello, in this video I am going to show you the difference between function definitions and function declarations. So up till now we've been defining and declaring the function, like we've been implementing it. So this right here is a full implementation. But what if, let's say we want to put this on, cut it, let's say if I want to put it after the main. Pretty common to organize this so the main's at the top if it's in the file, and put all subsequent functions after. Just give that a save, give it a run, let's see what we get. So let me run it again. So though it technically worked, a bunch of problems did occur. So the reason the problems occur, because depending on the compiler that you use on the IDE, it might not even work. It might give you an error. So what you want to do, if you put it afterwards, you need to define the function initially. So you do that by putting the exact same first line, which has the return type, the name of the function, and any parameters, but you put a semicolon. So that way, this function, which comes after this definition, knows there's some function called print, and when it does call it, it will actually call the implementation. It just needs to know of that function. And if I clear this, if I'll give it a run now, we shouldn't get any warnings or any problems. There you go. That's how to define functions, and then we implement them further down here. That's really it. Nothing much more to it than that. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the Discord group. There's a link in the description. Just hit the programming channel up and ask any questions that you have. Also, another link in the description to the GitHub page, which has all of the source code from every single video in this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.